Imagine being able to make $30 in less than a minute by just doing a few simple tasks with your smartphone. If you figure out the secret after watching this video, I'd want you to ask on how many times you think we should do this one time for a chance to earn $30. You may earn $300 if you do it 10 times and $3,000 if you do it 100 times. There are no limits. I want you to decide whether you want $30 or $3,000 in the comments down below. I'm not sure about you, but considering the 3 websites I'm about to show you, I'd go with $3,000 or even more. In this video, they pay out the same day super quickly and effortlessly, and it's entirely free and accessible from anywhere in the world. Before we go further to this video, if it is your first time in here, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First and foremost, I recommend you to watch the entire video because I will demonstrate 3 different websites where you can earn money online. Now, if you want to combine all these 3, you'll be able to make the greatest money while simultaneously creating many streams of income, which is great. As a result, watch this video carefully to ensure you don't miss anything. Let me go over to some of the other payment options briefly before we get started. And that's how to get the money you've earned in your bank account. And as well as you can see, you can make money with PayPal. Don't worry if you don't have a PayPal account. Your earnings can be deposited directly into your bank account too. They accept payments from practically every country, and you can even cash out in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to demonstrate how simple this method is. So consider how much money you can make, as you can see. $16, 30 cents, 26 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, and more. You might think that $30 isn't a lot of money, but it adds up quickly, and I'll show you my own secret strategy for earning $30 over and over again. And you can do it as many times as you like by simply using a smartphone or computer. It's easy to perform and doesn't require any prior knowledge or experience. So this is going to be the first website we'll do. All you have to do is to do some simple small jobs like liking, watching videos, and doing some simple surveys, going to certain websites, or sending some simple emails. And you can earn these $3 to $5 in doing so. And you can choose one of the jobs that you like, and I'll show you which one is the best to do so you'll be able to see, and you can save a lot of time and spend probably 1 to 2 minutes doing it in this website. Anyway, this website is called Pycoworkers.com. This is the first website where we can earn money by completing simple tasks, but you can also get some free money just by signing up. If you join up for an account, have a look at this 75 cents welcome bonus. Signing up for an account and then looking for different projects to complete is an easy way to get some free money. Now, in my personal experience, liking and watching videos is the simplest way to make money on this website. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll teach you one cool ruler hack that can quickly multiply your earnings so you can earn even more money than other people who don't watch the entire video. And I'd like to show you one more strategy, which is the referral program. If you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr account, you can share them with others, including friends and random people. And you can earn commissions if they sign up and finish the tasks they do the work for, which you were compensated. And the more referrals you get over time, the more commissions you'll earn, making this your second source of passive income. You can always initiate the task yourself if you don't want to rely on commissions or referrals. Everything, including watching and liking movies, is available for $3, $1, or 50 cents, which is fantastic because it takes less than 30 seconds in any event in order for the corporation to pay you. You must complete the tasks on this website, then you must provide proof of your work. I'll show you how to accomplish it step by step so you don't make any mistake. Many people submit it wrong or don't submit anything at all, which is why these services aren't profitable. But first, take a look at the second website where you can gain points. This is a point-based system, and once you've earned all of the points, you may cash them in. You can get $1 for every 1,000 points to earn. And I'll teach you a secret method for earning 500,000 points in a single day, which no one else knows about, as well as a special tip for you if you are outside of the United States. To get started, simply download Proton VPN, a free VPN service that you can use on your computer or mobile device, so that you can actually join up when you go to a website like this. Because I know a lot of you guys out there have your nations blacklisted. You won't be able to join up in your country, so make sure you download and utilize the Proton VPN or another alternative. Before we get into the next video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below. Now, Earnably is the name of the second website. It is a legitimate website, but if you're from one of the smaller countries, you'll need to sign up for it with Proton VPN. You can earn money simply by watching videos. All you have to do is click on one of these companies, go to their websites, and watch the video from beginning to end without skipping anything you can. Let it play in the background while on the phone, and you can do other things while it plays on the computer. The best thing is that having a large number of mobile devices in your homes, such as 2 to 3 phones with your parents, family, and siblings, is even better because you may earn even more money in addition. If you use both of these websites to get through this, we can easily make $30 in less than a minute. Remember to focus on watching and liking videos. Everything else will waste your time and surveys will give you very little money. So now, I'll show you Streetbees, the third website on this website. They give you a fairly basic duty to accomplish, and you must look at these 10 euros, 5.45 yen. You can make a lot of money every time you send a text or a message. Take a look at this and discover that you can log in and sign up and create a free account. If you have a smartphone, they will ask you to snap photos of coffee and other items, and then they send you a message to which you must reply, and they occasionally ask you to upload the photos. For example, take a photo of the shoes you're wearing today and send it to earn $5. This is typically pretty simple, and they want you to take a few basic photos every day, like simple things around you, and the things that they need you to do is simply snap the photos and email it to them, and you can now earn money. This is how you can make money using Streetbees. This app is now available for free and on Google Play Store and the App Store. Simply pick one of the tasks, respond to a question, and you'll be paid in cash. When you click the Join Now button, you'll be brought to the App Store, or if you have an Android phone, you may go to the Google Play Store and you can see that they have a good rating based on 84,000 reviews. This product is rated 4.6 stars. Simply download the apps and spend 2 to 5 minutes per day finishing a story, sending a message, and earning $5. Furthermore, I'd want to bring your attention to their Streetbees Ambassador program, which I'd like to discuss with you. You can join them and get paid to help them expand in your country because they're still a small company. If you're from different countries across the world, whichever country you're from now is a terrific time to join this firm since it's trending, and you can apply now from anywhere in the world while it's still early. They are being expanded in this number of various countries, and you'll be paid highly for sharing a story and sending a message to their system with a simple brief question. Because it is still relatively new and there is no competition, many people are absolutely unaware of the existence of these websites. To apply to be a Streetbees ambassador, simply enter your name and email address, complete this form, and click the Apply Now button. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.